What's up, you guys? We're back again with another walk around. Today we're checking out this 1986 Toyota pickup SR5 turbo truck. It has been lowered with the 2-inch front drop spindles and 3-inch rear blocks. So up here in the front, it has the 4x front fenders, front bumper as well, and the lower valence. Got the original old school California license plate, and these headlights are LEDs, aftermarket headlights. Also the corner lights, it has the clear corner lights, some LED bulbs. And these turn signals are also LEDs, clear smoked. Got some little aftermarket fog lights right there. It's sitting on some US mag wheels, wrapped in 195/40 17-inch tires, drilled and slotted rotors. It also has the Bell-Tech lowering shocks front and rear. We got some aftermarket chrome side mirrors, and also these little chrome wind deflectors. It has the camper top with the Blazer style side windows, and all this has been polished to go along with the rest of the chrome stuff on the truck. Back here it has a 4x 1994 Toyota rear bumper. The back window has also been polished, and it has the big flow hose hand paint sign back here. The Speedy Gonzalez. Something real cool about this truck, it has the original 1986 sticker on it still. Got the little chrome tip and the original rear mud flaps. I can show you the rear blocks. The fronts are 17x7s and the rears are 17x8s. So these are a little wider than the ones in the front. Let's go to the interior. Really clean door panels, original power windows. Has the turbo seats, still in pretty good condition. Center console and all. It's automatic, original stereo. It does have a Bose Ghost system, so you can still listen to your music connected through Bluetooth. and it still have the stock stereo. This truck only has 92,000 miles. The little dancer right there. And it has a factory alarm system, which is these little buttons right there. Got the deck lamp switch. It has a subwoofer back here. It's a little 10-inch Pioneer subwoofer. Show you guys the engine bay. One that still has the OEM Toyota carpet mats. Here in the engine bay, it has the stock turbo engine. I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Still got the original style decals all across.
Connected.
Well, that's it for this walk around video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can check him out, follow the build, and also follow us on Instagram at YONKES_OXC films. I will leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.